day, everyone. Today is day 3 of the KalzSpiration Devotional series. If you are joining me for the first time, I encourage you to take some time to look at the previous videos in this series. I have shared practical, applicable lessons from 3 principles: revelation, faith, and trust. I urge you to continue to stay with me as I share with you lessons from a leper's story. Today, we continue to focus on Luke chapter 17 verse 14, where Jesus instructed the lepers to go show themselves to the priest. And as we learned from yesterday's devotion, they did not ask questions. They did exactly as they were told because of their faith and trust in the Master. To do exactly as you are told is obedience in the truest form. Many times, if not all the time, when we go to the doctor, we question just about everything, from the diagnosis to the treatment prescribed. However, the lepers did not question Jesus' command. They willingly obeyed. They did not have any hesitation in Jesus' expertise. Now, please do not misunderstand my analogy about the doctor. You trust your doctor, but it is your responsibility to be fully aware of what is happening in relation to your physical health. On the other hand, Jesus is not like the earthly doctors. He is our creator. He is our spiritual doctor. Just like how an inventor knows his product, Jesus knows everything about us. He is omniscient. He knows what is best for us, even when we don't. Trust his leading. Never doubt it. The third lesson from a leper's restoration is true obedience, a product of faith and trust. Remember, when your faith in him fosters trust, you submit to his demands. There is restoration through genuine obedience. Lord, you always know what's best for me. Help me to be obedient to your leading. Amen. Thank you for staying with me today. I really enjoy sharing with you from the leper's story in Luke 17 verses 11 to 19. Tomorrow is our final day, and I am asking you to share this video with someone if you were blessed. Remember, sharing is caring.